I cut up an Audi 80B3 engine to build a motorcycle for the apocalypse. I applied a layer of fiberglass putty to even out the surface for the oil seal cover. After applying the fiberglass putty, I will apply a sealant to prevent particles from entering the oil pump. I intend to repurpose as many garage-sourced materials as possible for this motorcycle build. To keep it simple and resourceful, I will use an electric water pump for coolant circulation.
Нормально?
In the next episode, we'll continue to build this monster, so subscribe so you don't miss out on the first test drive.